Hi everyone. So I have cleared almost all my positions which I was holding for the last 2 days, and as you can see, I am out of clean technologies, fluorochemicals, Godfrey Phillips, Gujarat's alkali. I don't know why is it showing 10. I'm out of it. I don't know. Maybe there is some technical glitch in it. Hudson. Uh, Finally, for the last 3 days, I'm holding onto it, and right now I can see that it is giving me some profit. It's going good. I think it had started moving. So the other one is Persistent Technologies. I'm still holding on to it. My stop loss hasn't hit, and neither the target. Reliance. I have booked um, um, almost 39 points in it. No, 30 points in it. So that is what I booked. So almost 7,000 profit total in the last 2 days. So that was this swing trade. Let us see what happens to Hudson. Hudson, let's see the chart. My target would be the all-time high, because right now there is no other obstacle I can see. It is only the it has already crossed. If you can see in the chart, it has already crossed 1463, which was the last hurdle for it to reach the top, which will be at 1524. So I will be holding this stock Hudson Agro until 1524. So once it touches that point, I will be out of this stock. So then almost all my positions will be clear. And today, let me show you what is happening with the stocks which I bought today. IRCTC, if you can see IRCTC, I am out of it because it hit my target, and the target was 39.05. However, I booked it at 39.15. So almost 2,000 profit was taken out of IRCTC. Sun Pharma, I am still holding on to Sun Pharma because I don't know what will happen to it. Either ways it can go. The other stock is, there was one more. Let me check which was it. It was IRFC. Alright, IRFC was the other stock. I am out of it. I don't know, because this is a very small stock, and I had to take almost 3,000 position, which was actually 3,000 stocks were huge. So I don't think that I'm right now ready for these many stocks for a single stock script. So that is the reason I'm out of it. So total, as you can see, that I have made almost 7,000 rupees today. I have booked all of my stocks in profit. I am still waiting for Hudson Agro and Persistent Technologies. For these two, right now these are almost equal. One is giving me almost 400 profit, and other one is giving me almost 500 loss. So let us see what happens to these. And there is one Sun Pharma, that is I bought it today, and we'll see what happens to it tomorrow, or maybe in the day if it gives me my target. About India, as you can see that About India is it has already touched its target, because it actually opened with a 2% gain. So that is the reason I couldn't do anything on it. So let me tell you, if you are checking a chart of any stock, and if you see that there is some place where you can buy the stock, and if the stock is opening above it, 1 or 2 rupees, it's okay. But if it is opening a percent or 2% above your buying price, then I think you should leave. So that is the reason I left it. It doesn't matter at all now, even if it reaches to my targets or beyond it. KEI Industries was also one stock which was on my radar, and I wanted to buy it, but it hasn't given any buying signal. as of now. Still it's in negative. Maybe in the day, if it let me check the chart once again. So there is, I can't see any resistance here, but still maybe it is into some kind of consolidation before going above 980. So if it goes above 980, I will be buying it. And my targets, I have already mentioned my targets, and stop loss is already there, so I'll be with this stock accordingly. Let us see what happens. If it goes above 980, I'll buy it. That's it for today. Thank you all. And uh, I'll be sharing these stocks in the evening. I'll be checking the stocks, and if I find something which we can buy tomorrow, I'll be making another video. But let me tell you that these stocks which I'm mentioning in my YouTube videos are not recommendations. Please do not consider them as recommendations. These are my positions which I am taking. The risk is mine, the profit is mine. So if you think that you are ready, you can consider them, but please check before getting into them. So I am not recommending any of these stocks. These are my positions and I am taking them. Thank you all. Good day.